under serious protest to Government of India, I am boycotting tomorrow's NITI Aayog meeting, which is supposed to be held in Delhi, because the policies spelled out in the first NITI Aayog meeting, that was the cooperative federalism and the Team India spirit, is totally lost by the Government of India, by the NITI Aayog. Practically, it's a literal truthful dictatorism. It is imposing of schemes which are undesirable to the states. The imposition of GST tax on various issues like handloom weaving, milk, crematoriums have to be withdrawn. The poor BD workers are suffering because the BD industry is almost under closure. They are losing their employment. Governments have a responsibility to show the alternative employment to them. In spite of that, you are increasing GST by 28% on BD industry, by which the poor BD industry will suffer and the poor BD workers will have no way to live. Of course, it is a painful job to do, but they are winning their bread out of the BD making because they are so poor. The farmers are unhappy. Peoples of all walks are confused. The Government of India is not able to control the price rise, which is skyrocketing. The inflation is touching the high. The unemployment rate has gone up to the percentage of 8.1. This was not desired out of the result of formation of NITI Aayog. The National Institute for Transforming India has resulted drastically. It is painful. I am very painfully appealing. It was not my intention to make it a political issue, but under compulsion, having no way. I made various suggestions during so many meetings of NITI Aayog. No single point was considered. I don't see a place for the recommendations of NITI Aayog with the Government of India. NITI Aayog very clearly recommended to support two very good schemes taken up by the Government of Telangana, that is Mission Kakatiya and Mission Bhagirath. NITI Aayog has crystal clearly recommended for sanctioning 24,000 crores of grant for both these schemes. But the government never bothered to honor the recommendation of the NITI Aayog. Simultaneously, the 15th Finance Commission of India has also recommended to the Government of India to sanction about 6,000 crores to the state of Telangana, for which the Government of India also has shown a Nelson's eye. I am sorry. This is undesirable, unwanted behavior of the Government of India. Henceforth, I humbly request once again the Honorable Prime Minister of India, please change your attitude. Please change the policies. Please lift the GST on handlooms, milk productions, and also on various poor people's issues. For these valid reasons, painfully, I am clearly declaring to the nation that I am boycotting tomorrow's NITI Aayog meeting. Thank you one and all. No questions today, tomorrow. Any question will be tomorrow, please. నా బాధ్యత నేను చెప్పినా కడవ వాళ్ళు చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. ఎవరు ఎట్లా ఉంటారో వాళ్ళ బాధ వాళ్ళది. I have already answered. They may take it as a spirit and take their own decision. Mr. Rahul, I am sorry, you are my close friend, but I will certainly disappoint you today. If you want, we will hold a press conference tomorrow or day after. I will sufficiently answer your question. Thank you.